Bonjour mes amis. Today we are going to learn pronom sujet. Pronom sujet in English it is called subject pronoun. So what is meant by subject? Subject means the person who is doing that action. For example, Soham is playing. Here Soham is subject. Means Soham is doing the action. That's why it is called subject. Now instead of noun whatever we use it is called pronoun. It is called pronom sujet. So in English, which pronom sujet we have? I, you, he, she, someone or it, we, you, and they. So in French, we have je, je. Repeat after me. Je means I. Theo, Theo. Il means he. Elle means she. En means someone. We means nous. For you, we use vous. For masculine plural, we use il. For feminine plural, we use elle. One more thing, it's very important that here je, tu, il, elle, and o. All these are singular. Or these are singular. While nous, vous, il, elle. These are plural pronoun. These are plural pronoun. What is the plural of je? What is the plural of I? It is nous, we. Plural of je is nous. Plural of tu is vous. Plural of tu is vous. Here, when you say you are playing, it is singular. But when you are saying boys are playing or you are playing, so if you are just indicating the group of people, group of boys, that way, that time we say you are playing, plural. Now, plural of il is il. As I told you, we never pronounce last consonant. So it is only il. Plural is il. Plural of elle is elle. Means they. Feminine plural. Merci. A bientôt.